Ace of Swords, Two of Pentacles, the Hierophant, and the Hermit, and Knight of Cups. So this is like truth and clarity about like a relationship. This could be within yourself, as well as like there's some sort of balance and harmony here. You see things clearly, and you also see that maybe this person is struggling with some sort of image and some sort of introspective work. And intuition could be having to do with love. It could be having to do with jealousy. Intuition. Emotional energy. Clarify the Nine of Cups. So they wear a mask to hide the truth, but you can see the truth. And it's like kind of something, it's like you're the messenger of this truth. Clarify the Nine of Cups, like you're putting words to it, saying it out loud, saying the quiet part out loud. Clarify the Nine of Cups. Eight of Pentacles. So this is about the shadow. The hidden guest is that there was no work done. There's work that needs to be done. And then this Emperor here, it's like a work done to maintain some sort of power and control in the past. It was to suppress and it was the ego's way of like protecting from perceived wrongs, like this image, right?